In this video, we are going to be teaching you the laws of logarithm. If you encounter some logarithm questions, trust me, these laws are going to be very helpful. So the first law talks about the addition or the product rule. Now, if you have an equation that says log base m a b, now this is the same thing as log m a plus log m b. Okay, now for instance, if you have something as log 1045, now you know 45 can be broken down as what? That's log, this is going to be the same thing as log 10. Now 45 is 9 times 5. So this means you're going to have this, you can further break this down as log 10 9 plus log 10 5. So this is exactly how to use the addition slash product rule. So the second one is talking about the quotient slash the subtraction rule. Now, if you have an equation that says log base a and you have x over y. Now, this is the same thing as log ax minus log ay. Now, for instance, you have a question that says log 10, that's you have 50 over 9. Now, how can you rewrite this? This can be rewritten as log base 10 50 minus log base 10 9. As easy as that, you can simplify these questions. So the next one we're going to be talking about is called the power rule. Now, if you have log base a m raised to the power n. Now, one thing I want you to know is if you have something like this, the n comes to the back to multiply log a m. So that's exactly how to apply the power rule. Now, for the zero rule. For you to solve the zero rule in logarithm, any log of any number, regardless of the base, as far as it's log 1, it's going to give you 0. So if we have log base a of 1, this is the same thing as 0. Now, why do we have this? Recall that in mathematics, a raised to power to 0 is going to give us what? 1. So that is why the logarithm of 1, regardless of the base, gives you 0. So the next law we'll be talking about is the change of base. Sometimes you can encounter questions where you need to change the base of the logarithm. So if you have something like this is log a m, and you want to do the operation of dates in another base. So this can be changed to, let's say base b. So I want to change this to base b. This is going to be log b m all divided by log b a. So as easy as that, you can change the base of your logarithm. In the identity rule, the log of any number, let's assume k, with a base of k, it's going to give you what? 1. Now, so that means if I have something like log 10 10, I'm going to get what? 1. Now, why is this so? Remember, 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 1 is going to give you what? 10. So anytime you have the base and the number to be equal, you are going to have an identity which is 1. So it's called the identity rule. Now, the equality rule, if you have an equation that says log base am is equal to log base an. Now, if these two things are equal, remember the two bases are equal, therefore this implies that m is equal to n. So this is the equality rule in logarithm. Now, the last law, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to follow us up to get more good videos like this. Thank you.